problems with social media isn't just misinformation. It isn't just politics. It isn't even addiction. Given the choice between a serious idea and something strange, loud, funny, or visual, people nearly always will choose that option. One of the biggest problems with social media isn't just misinformation. It isn't just politics. It isn't even addiction. It's that social media rewards content that asks nothing from the viewer. Think about it. Given the choice between a serious idea and something strange, loud, funny, or visual, most people choose the easier one, not because it is better, because it requires less. An argument asks you to participate. You have to nothing. You just watch, you react, you swipe. That is the rise of non-participatory content. And thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe.